Alright, we got here to Flower Street. It's a Ho Tiki. It's like half of it is a flower street, half of it is a food street. So yeah, remember Tony was asking, do you like flowers? Yeah, all the flowers. Huh? Oh wait, 1 second. Let me check. I think it's over there. Takoyaki? Yeah. Anything you want to eat, we'll stop. And
Okay.
yeah, just let me know.
Okay. Huang Thai Hang. The Thai food? Yeah, it's Thai food, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's Korean food right there. That's how they say Korean. Hanguk. See right there? Hanguk.
Fun.
Yeah. That means Korean. Yeah. That's how Koreans say it in Korean. Yeah, Hanguk. Oh, lobster. Flawless lobsters.
No, it's expensive here. Go to
Yeah.
Danang for that.
Dude, Da Nang's like half the price. That's crazy.
Danang is like
It's like half the price of it.
Oh.
Yeah. Huh?
Danang is cheapest.
Cheapest that I've seen. Yeah. Oh, look at this big one, Rui. Rui, look at the big one.
That's so big. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, horseshoe crab. I never had that. People said it doesn't taste very
It
good.
looks like a big turtle.
Yeah.
50,000 big one. Yeah. One the 50,000 big one look like in the 50. Yeah. Same one the 50,000 one long.
But I don't think there's a lot of meat in that one.
Yeah. I never had it before.
Giống như bị có hảo không?
Rui, let me know if you want to try something.
Snails.
Huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, the stuff. You wanted to try it, right? Yeah, get it.
Oh. You want to try snails?
Chị ơi, mình ăn cái gì mình vô nhà đi
Yeah.
chị. Này là ốc nhồi.
How much? Ah.
8K one piece?
Oh, okay. Yeah, one piece. Yeah, yeah.
Một, one.
Yeah.
One. Okay.
It's like $3 for $1.
Oh, okay. Rui, you want? Nah. No, yeah. Why?
Take a seat.
You want some?
Huh? Oh, let's go inside, Rui.
Ngồi đây nè em.
Yeah, my girlfriend got these snails. She's been wanting this for a while, but we didn't get to get it last time. So, man, I'm really full from the pizza. Not sure if I want to eat more of this. It looks interesting though. Try it, dude.
This is cheap.
Can I film your reaction? Or? I'm gonna film your reaction.
Mine are Ruiz. This is like pork mince, I think.
Huh?
Like this. Oh, this is vegetable. This is good.
Pork?
What is this?
I don't know.
It's so good. This is lemongrass, I think.
Lemon, yeah. Oops.
Wait, try it. It's so good.
The concept.
Bite. Good, right?
No.
Kind of true.
You gotta make up his mind. Let him think. Let the boy think.
It's good, diba? No.
You don't like it?
You don't have some.
Try a little bit.
Good. What you mean?
It's good?
I'm introducing you to some culture.
Yeah, I can't pick it up.
Not this show.
Can't pick it up. Let's try it. Tastes like a very herby meatball.
Right?
Yeah.
They had like this mushroom, this black thing.
Oh. It's alright. It's okay. I would eat it, but probably wouldn't order that again. It's not nasty or anything, it's just a... Maybe because I'm just full already. Man, my allergies getting crazy. Oh, wow. Okay, we're on the move again. Let's see. Oh no, it's annoying.
The horseshoe crab.
Yeah, it's a horseshoe crab, yeah.
Horseshoe crab.
This is my first time seeing one in real life.
Oh yeah, it's like a zoo,
I
right?
heard they were like a 450 million
Ooh,
years
look at that, look at that. Look at that clam. Or,
No, they've been like living since like 400
This?
oh yeah.
Shrimp, right?
Yeah, that's shrimp.
But they're big.
Prawns or
What do you call
something?
those kind of shrimp?
Prawns, I think. Dude, look at the size of this.
This is what I meant.
Oh, that's the abalone?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, yeah.
The spike.
I think that's abalone.
What are those yellow things?
That's animal.
That's the, I don't know.
Crabs, I'm sorry.
Egg.
Egg. Oh, egg. Chicken egg. Oh wow.
Oh. Ovary.
It's good.
Let's try that. next time.
How do chicken get sour?
Yeah. Huh? Oh,
The Vietnamese balloon.
Vietnamese balloon. You want one or? Oh, they got the sweet potato thing. The sweet potato thing that you like.
Yeah. Is that the Korean?
Can I get one or what?
They have QR code.
Huh?
They have QR.
Nah.
Yeah, QR.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Is that the Korean?
Does yours work though in Vietnam?
Like,
I don't think yours works
is that
in
a Korean
Vietnam.
hot dog? Or
Huh?
corn dog? Korean?
Yeah, something like that. They got the
Small bird.
they got the penis. Rui, look, there's a penis. It's a chin chin. You like that? You want some? They got Crocs. The chin chin.
There's a small bird there.
It's cheese, sausage, and a quail egg.
Sausage and a quail egg.
Yeah, there's a sign saying that.
Really?
That's what the chin chin
Sausage and quail eggs.
Yeah, on the top there's cheese,
Funny.
and then there's
Wait,
hot
palm
dog.
fruit. Look at this palm fruit. Oh,
wow.
huge.
Chair, right? Chair.
Yeah. Sausage and quail eggs. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, look at this curry. Tripe, yeah. Tripe curry. Wow. Oh, man. Dude, these must be in season, huh? Huh? Yeah, palm fruit, yeah. It must be in season or something. Everywhere. Now some candy. Man, you've been eating a lot of candy. No, we already got candy, man. We already got candy. That's good.
When?
But the American candy I gave you.
30K for 100 grams.
Squid spot is popular. Hey, finished. I told you like it.
Just that I have to finish it.
Yeah, right, whatever. I know you like it.
No, I expected it to be salty.
No,
That's
it's
why.
sweet. Bone marrow, yeah. Yeah. You want ice cream? You want to get ice cream or?
I'm on my sweet.
Huh? No, they cook it. We had that. Remember? We had it in Da Nang. They gave us. Yeah.
Hello, avocado ice cream, coconut ice cream, avocado coconut.
Oh, sausage and quail.
It's so hilarious.
That's ridiculous.